Alright, the next thing that we need to learn about is file management. Okay, how to manage files, how to read write files, and these are very important when it comes to IoT. In IoT applications in general, we might have to read some values which have been, or we just need to store some values in files which have been given from sensors, or we might need to take some sensor values and update them to the server accordingly and stuff like that. So reading and writing into files is reading from and writing into files are very important in any IoT application. And let's learn file management in general. Now files, almost everybody know what a file is. Okay, nobody now keeps, okay, though we keep things in folders, we generally try to make files and upload them, right? So let's understand a file, and let's do some stuff out there. Okay, we'll create a file. Let's create a file at the desktop. So I'm just going to create a simple file. Let's say hi, just trying out file management in Python for IoT. IoT is Internet of Things, and we have learned, what all did we learn in Python for the same? Okay, so we can just say we learned about objects, data types, right? Operators, classes, sorry, functions. Then we did loops, conditional statements, and things like that, right? So we have quite a lot of things out here. Classes, decorators, inheritance, blah blah, and whatnot. So we just save this file. Let's say I'll just put them in desktop. So desktop is gonna be, let's say, yeah, I can say this is gonna be .txt. I'll just save it as file.txt. That's it. Okay, now we need to open this particular file. How do we open this particular file? That's what we are concerned about. Okay, now how do we open it? Okay, so we can open it with, let's say we open it with, in the particular this thing, we say fobj is equal to, we create a file object and we say open what. You can open a particular file, but you need to say the file name. So you will say file.txt, but are you sure that it is there in this particular folder? You might have to give something more. Okay, we'll just see that. And because we want to read, we are going to say a parameter that is r that we want to read. Okay, with this we can just open your file. So, and then once you're open, then you can just close it. Now before you close that, we need to, let's see if this runs. Okay, so let's say file mgmt function f5. Oh, what does it say? No such file or directory, file.txt. It is actually checking for C users, recording, app data, local programs, Python 3.6. There is no such file out there, right? It is trying to search in that particular folder. So if you want, you can put the file in that particular folder, but that's not advisable. So let's go to where we have we need to get the place that we have put. So in this PC we have put in desktop. So in desktop, so which means we need to find out where desktop exactly would be. C colon wait, or maybe desktop. I just need to see the properties. Oh, C users recording. That's where you'll find your desktop. Let's see, C users. Where's users? Where's users, man? UV. Oh, there's no users. Oh, C users. And recording. Do you find desktop here? Oh, yes. And in desktop you have all of these. So I can just copy this entire path out here and put the path before this with a slash once again, right? save this particular file, and then let's see if it opens it up. Oh, it says can't do that. Codes can't decode bytes in position 2 and 3. All right, so we need to create, we need to just make a small change.